Today we are doing another exhaust install. That is right, the Nissan GTR. Yeah, what is it getting?
HKS exhaust.
Sweet. Stock exhaust, go for it. Capped at 35? Yeah. Okay. Normally we would do some flybys and stuff of, you know, casual driving and whatnot, but I think you guys get the point. It's pretty quiet.
Pretty quiet.
So let's get the exhaust on. Okay, what's first? Going up with it?
Have to go up with it. What are we doing?
Exhaust.
Oh my god, is it a Supra?
That's impressive.
Speedo starts a deadlifting channel?
2 unboxing videos back to back.
Yes. You shall see.
Yeah.
Like I said, like all the big channels. Alright, Jake, you want to be a part of our ASMR video? ASMR video?
Let's see. Oh wow. That's nice.
It's a pretty piece of equipment.
Oh, what do we got in this one? Mid-pipe?
Mid-pipe. Mid-pipe and the cat back portion of the exhaust should sound pretty good. So, you asked for the decibel numbers. If you can help me understand... Oh, it's caution. There's a bunch of cautions on this one.
Alright, what's the first thing we gotta do?
We gotta take this gigantic undershield off. This piece of carbon fiber, it's really nice. And probably these 2 undershields that allow us access to the actual exhaust here.
Cool.
And then from there, we'll start to remove the exhaust.
Carbon shield coming off. We've now exposed the old exhaust.
So I'll pull both of these undershields, and that should give us access to the full exhaust.
Okay, right now we are removing all of the hangers for the exhaust and the, what would you say, the wires and bolts for the valves?
Yeah, because it still uses the factory valve, so we'll have to delete the valve system. I don't got enough oomph in the trunk for that one.
Okay, so we took the tips off to give us just a little bit more room.
And we just had to angle it. She came right out. I'm hoping the new exhaust kind of just angles and goes right back in. Other than that,
new exhaust.
New exhaust. All the exhaust mounts are off, all 4. We're gonna try to do a kind of different install on how we're gonna put this up. We're gonna put the 2 front ones and 2 back ones in the car, and put the back 2 right here on the exhaust. Our tip is we're going to try to angle the exhaust up, put these 2 pins, slide them in so we can rotate up, and the back 2 will just pop on the bolts. So close. Now if you're wondering, the install is fairly easy. The hardest part will be putting the undershields back on. Okay, we are finally done after putting the 200 million bolts back in the undershields. And time to drop the car, do the first start.